What's up? Welcome to my channel. So today I have another tutorial using one of the new Pat McGrath Labs Little Baby Mothership palette. So this particular palette that I'm using today in this tutorial is the Mothership Subliminal Platinum Bronze eyeshadow palette. This one is more of the cooler tones. I will link down below the other two looks I am going to do / did with these palettes, so be sure to check it out. This look is making me so mad because it's so stunning in person and the camera honestly just isn't doing it justice. It's basically a cool tone taupe cut crease look, and like I said, in person it is stunning. I'm so mad the camera isn't doing it justice. But anyways, if you want to learn how I did this look, then just keep watching. So to start off, I just have my lids primed and ready as per usual, and the first shade I'm taking from the palette is the shimmery medium brown shade, and I'm just popping that in my crease. If having shimmery colors in your crease makes you cringe, well, there's only one matte color in this palette. I had no choice, okay? Then I took the only matte color in this palette, it's a matte chocolate brown, and I also blended that into my crease. Make sure you get that in the inner corner because we are doing a cut crease today. Now I'm taking my concealer and I'm doing a whole winged out cut crease. So this takes a lot of practice to get a hang of, so just keep practicing and keep trying. And now I'm taking this almost grayish taupe color and I'm just placing that in the middle of my eyelid with a small brush, making sure I'm patting because I didn't set the concealer. And now I'm taking the lightest shade in the palette and I am going to put that in my inner corner. And so as you can see, we're creating that fade from light to medium to dark. So this is the color that we're using to get the darkest fade. So it's lighter, excuse me, that was my phone. It's lighter than the crease shades, but it's darker than all of the lid shades, so we can create that fade. Alright, so I'm taking the chocolate brown again on a pencil brush and I'm just defining that cut crease. So just running that right over, it's just going to make the cut crease look even sharper. And then I'm going to take a wipe and wipe away to clean it up. This isn't like set in stone because I still didn't need to put eyeliner on. I was just using this as a general guide. And now I'm using the Pat McGrath Precision Liquid Liner and I'm just going to do a wing, and silly me just was out of camera this whole time. So yeah, but I'm just putting a wing down and then I'm going to take a wipe and really get that precise edge. Alright, moving out to the face, I'm using my Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer to moisturize my skin. And my foundation of choice today is the Armani Luminous Silk Foundation, and I'm just applying that all over my face as I normally do, nothing new here. To conceal today, I'm using the Lorac Pro Conceal. I'm taking a step away from my Maybelline Fit Me for once. You guys should be so proud of me. To set my under eyes and my whole face, I'm just using my Mercier translucent powder, and I'm putting that everywhere. To add some warmth to my face, I'm using the Tarte Park Ave Princess Bronzer. Then I'm going to use my Lorac Pro Contour and do my usual contouring routine. I feel it's pretty redundant because I do the same thing in every tutorial. But yeah, just watch and learn. Alright, and now I'm taking the shade Angelic from my Tarte Blush Bazzer palette, and I'm just gonna give my face a little bit of color. my highlight today, I'm using Becca's Opal, which is one of my favorite highlighters. I love this stuff. And then I'm setting my face with some MAC Fix Plus. Alright, so going back to the palette, we are taking the matte chocolate brown, and I'm just going to run that along my lower lash line. And once more, I'm taking the lightest color in the palette, and I'm just going to put that in my inner corner. This is the Sephora Shadow and Liner Stick in the shade Let It Snow, and this is what I like to use to line my waterline when I want to make my eyes look bigger and brighter. And then I'm going about my normal mascara routine. My lash of choice today is the style Olivia by Lily Lashes. These are really pretty. These are actually pretty wearable. So I really like these a lot. Well, my definition of wearable, I guess you'll say, but these are really pretty. Alright, and for my lips, I'm starting off with the MAC lip liner in the shade Cork, one of my personal favorites, and I'm just going to line my lips. And for my lip color today, I'm taking the Pat McGrath lipstick in the shade Flesh, which is a beautiful nude, and it blends really well with this lip liner. And after this, we are all finished. Alright, so that's it for the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you found it helpful. Be sure to stay tuned for the last palette that I have to do for this tutorial series. And yeah, by the way, thank you for helping me reach 500 subscribers. I know that doesn't sound like a lot, but honestly to me that sounds like a lot, because it's like, whoa, 500 people want to listen to me talk about makeup. So honestly, thank you so much for helping me reach 500 subscribers. I can't wait to grow more. You guys are already so supportive, so I can only imagine as this journey continues how it's going to go. But anyways, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Remember to subscribe to my channel and comment down below what you thought of this video and any other videos you want to see in the future. Have a good day, guys. Bye.